Alrighty, hey guys, this is JC Bowers. We're at Wabash, and today we're going to be discussing freeze cloths. How do we use them? When do we need them? And what do they really provide for us? I don't know if you guys remember, but this last year, it wasn't so much the cold that really messed us up, it was the wind. So today we're going to be discussing our freeze cloths and how to build a structure around some of our plants. The guys that we're most worried about is our citrus, maybe hibiscus, our tropicals, and then younger plants that are a little less than a year old. This structure won't work for anything above 6 feet, but anything under that, we're going to be able to take care of it. So what we have here is the thinner freeze cloth. And this is good up to 32 degrees, which is fantastic because we typically don't get a whole lot lower than that. What this really does is help to break the wind. That's something that we really need. Any temperatures under 32, we're going to want to double up and get a thicker cloth. And here's why. After we build our structure, we're going to put a 5-gallon water bucket under where we've insulated everything. This helps to tell us if it gets below 32 degrees and the water freezes, we know what kind of temperatures were in our area, in that little area we've created. But second, if it does freeze, in order for your water to go from the liquid to that solid state, it needs to release heat. Ha! I didn't know that either. Shout out to Betty Hecker. That was cool. So this is very helpful if I'm not able to have like Christmas lights around it. P.S. Don't get the LED. We need old, big Christmas lights that sort of put off heat. If we're not able to have Christmas lights, then try to add maybe 2 buckets of water. This really helps to regulate our temperatures. So third, if it gets below 22 and we have our thicker cloth, that thicker cloth will help to insulate, right? As well as break the wind. If we don't have it less than like 20 degrees and up in 32, we can have that thinner cloth. It's not as necessary. So what I'm going to show you are 2 little diagrams. Give me a break. They don't look good, but we're just trying to give it an idea. I'm not the next Picasso. Maybe I will be, but not today. So that being said, we're looking at our first structure, okay? This is our tree. Let's just say it's a citrus tree, okay? And we've put rhubarb, the metal rhubarb, we put 1, 2, 3, 4 around the tree. It needs to be 3/8 inches by 2 feet. And we're going to put 1 whole foot of the rhubarb in the ground. So you've got 1 foot up left. And after we've done that, then we are going to install our PVC pipes that will go around and connect from this end to this end and this end to the other end. The PVC, we want it to be 1 inch. The PVC length is going to be dependent on how big your shrub or tree is, the width of it. That's going to determine how much of a PVC that we're going to use. And once we've done this and built this structure, we can just wrap the frost cloth around it, or you can take the frost cloth off, keep that structure through the winter. So if we get a sudden freeze or something like that, your structure's already built and we could just re-put the frost cloth on it. If anybody has any other questions, let us know. We're getting to everybody as fast as we can. We've been getting a lot of requests. So keep up the great work, guys, and plant on.